I'm Abigail Swatis. I'm part of the agronomy program here at Mitchell Tech. I came on an exploration day just with my guidance counselor, and they'd recommend I go to school here. The hands-on learning kind of stood out to me the most, just with the shop and going out to the land labs and all the things that were described to us. The land lab class, we get to go out and do yield checks. We get to go and run machinery and harvest the test plots. You get to get in a tractor, get in a combine and run it for a little bit and have somebody show me how to do that. I think that's a great experience.
So being together every day, we get to know each other quite a bit, and being outside and doing hands-on type of activities. My name is Will Rodert, and I'm part of the agronomy program here at Mitchell Tech. I applied to Mitchell Tech about a month before school started, and I worked at my local co-op over the summer just for a summer job, and I ended up liking the ag field and the co-op side of things, so I decided on Mitchell Tech. The ag programs, you get a CDL and an applicator license your first year, so you can use that on your first year internships, and it gives you another check on your resume for businesses to hire you.
You know, the Build Dakota Scholarship, which is an opportunity that I got to have, that they offer that with a wide variety of programs, so it doesn't just have to be ag programs. You're able to do that and have job security after college.
All of the instructors here are very passionate and experienced in the field that they're teaching. They stay really up to date on all the technology in the ag industry. I'm very happy with the choice I made coming to Mitchell Tech. You're going to love Mitchell Tech, so get ready.
You're going to love Mitchell Tech, so get ready.